Right guys, welcome back to Barnes of Pest Control. We've had an invite up to Jeff, the rat buster himself, the legendary rat buster, to one of his farms tonight, so we're very privileged to have one. I've come with Azza as well, so hopefully there'll be some good footage for you. Tonight I've got the Weihrauch HW100, the Alpex and the Nightmaster. So once again, Jeff, thanks very much for the invite.
No problem,
much appreciated.
Anytime, mate, no problem at all.
If you haven't already done so, go to his channel, Rat Buster, and hit subscribe. Thanks a lot.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. In this video guys, it was filmed over about 4 or 5 hours all in one night. We went to 2 of Jeff's pig farm permissions, which as you can see there were loads and loads of them. Whoop, straight in the prison pocket. Whoa, 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 whoa. Back up a bit. That's definitely a 2 for 1, a 2 for 1. It's the first time we've ever had one. I'm not going to insult your intelligence, but you can see this has been clearly recorded through a thermal, and Jeff was using his HIKMICRO 50mm one, and you can see just a clarity difference between my 6mm and his 15mm. This was Azza from Young Guns Pest Control, using his Diana Storm Rider and One Leaf NV400 Commander 4K. Cracking little setup he's got. If you like what you see, give us the old thumbs up, leave us a comment and subscribe to us and hit the notification bell for our next video.
this other farm, mate. Shot. Full shot like that.
And last but not least, a special appearance by Mr. Fox. Believe it or not, we saw 5 knocking about this farmyard, and people with section 1, which I wish I had loved it. They're all coming up close. Just once more, thanks very much, Jeff, for having us up. We really appreciated it. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching.